Welcome back to the tenorshare channel. So, your iPhone's stuck on the update screen. Maybe it's frozen on verifying update, or the progress bar just won't move. Don't panic, this is super common during iOS updates, and we've got some solid fixes lined up for you. Before we jump into the fixes, you can check your Wi-Fi. If the network's unstable, the update might freeze. Restart your router and see if the problem gets fixed. Alright, if those don't work, let's start with the easiest fix, a force restart. Think of it like a hard reset that gives your phone a fresh start without deleting anything. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo shows up on the screen. That's it. This method works on most iPhones, and it can get your phone unstuck in just a few seconds. Now, if force restarting didn't help, don't worry. If you have a computer, you can use a tool called ReiBoot. It's a system repair tool that can fix over 150 different iPhone issues, and it can do it without erasing your data. So first, download ReiBoot on your computer and connect your iPhone. Once it's connected, you can click the green button here. Choose Standard Repair to avoid data loss. If your phone isn't being detected, follow the on-screen guide to enter recovery mode. It's similar to a force restart, but you hold the buttons a little longer until you see the recovery screen. From there, ReiBoot will help you download the correct firmware for your device. And once that's done, it'll begin repairing your iPhone. The whole process is quick, easy, and safe, and works for all iPhone models. Okay, now your phone is back to normal, and all your app and photos are saved. If you don't have a computer, you can use another iPhone to fix your crashed iPhone. iPhone 15 and 16 users can fix iPhone crash wirelessly with another iPhone running iOS 18 or later. On your crashed iPhone, just keep clicking the power button until the Apple logo blinks really fast. Then let go of it. Then you will see the Apple logo fade in and out. Wait for a while. The wireless restore page will appear and a pop-up will show on the other iPhone. Tap Continue and enter the verification code. And choose System Recovery. And that's it. It will fix your phone quickly. No computer needed. Okay, if nothing seems to be working, it might be time to reach out to Apple support. If your phone is back to normal, that's great news. But before you move on, let's make sure it doesn't happen again. If your storage space is almost full, that could be the reason why the update got stuck. So take a few minutes to clear it out. You can also back up your important stuff to iCloud or transfer files to your computer to free up space. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it and subscribe to us. We've got plenty more iPhone tips, tricks, and easy fixes coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.